polite requests,
and their kind responses.
Can you help me with this?
Sure, I'd be happy to help.
Could you pass me the salt, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Would you mind closing the window?
Not at all. I'll close it now.
Can I borrow your pen?
Yes, take it. No problem.
Could you please wait a moment?
Sure, take your time.
Would you mind turning the volume down?
No problem, I'll lower it.
Can you show me how to do this?
Definitely. Let me show you.
May I come in?
Yes, please do.
Could you open the door for me?
Of course.
Would it be okay if I sat here?
Yes, go ahead.
Can I ask you something?
Sure, what is it?
Could you lend me a hand?
Absolutely. What do you need?
Would you mind helping me carry this?
Not at all. I'll help.
Can I use your phone for a minute?
Sure, here it is.
Could you tell me the time, please?
It's 3:45.
Would you mind if I opened the window?
No, go ahead.
Can I have a glass of water, please?
Certainly. Just a moment.
Could you please explain that again?
Of course. Let me repeat it.
Would it be okay if I leave early today?
Yes, that's fine.
Can you come with me?
Sure, where to?
Could I have a word with you?
Yes, now's a good time.
Would you mind if I used your charger?
No problem. Go ahead.
Can you wait for 5 minutes?
Sure, I'll wait.
Could you keep the noise down?
Sorry, I'll be quiet.
Would you mind taking a photo of us?
Not at all. Smile.
Can I join you for lunch?
Of course. Sit down.
Could you please turn off the lights?
Sure, done.
Would it be alright if I called you later?
Yes, that works for me.
Can you send me the file?
Yes, I'll email it now.
Could I sit here for a while?
Yes, no problem.
Would you mind sharing your notes?
Not at all. Here they are.
Can I ask you a favor?
Sure, what do you need?
Could you please slow down a bit?
Sorry. I'll speak slower.
Would you mind waiting outside?
No problem. I'll wait.
Can you fix this for me?
I'll try my best.
Could I speak to the manager?
Yes, one moment please.
Would it be okay if I bring a friend?
Yes, that's perfectly fine.
Can you call me later?
Sure, I'll call in an hour.
Could I leave a little early today?
That's fine with me.
Would you mind checking this for me?
Not at all. Let me see.
Can I see the menu, please?
Yes, here you are.
Could you please speak more clearly?
Of course. Sorry about that.
Would you mind moving your bag?
Oh. Sorry, I'll move it.
Can I pay with a card?
Yes, we accept cards.
Could I get a glass of juice?
Sure, coming right up.
Would you mind closing the curtain?
No problem. I'll close it.
Can you tell me the way to the station?
Yes, go straight and turn left.
Could I use your Wi-Fi?
Sure, here's the password.
Would you mind calling me a cab?
Not at all. I'll call one now.